Well,
Yes.
they didn't mean to.
Okay.
Yeah,
Whoa.
he
Come
did.
So,
on.
He said
I
most.
know.
remember,
Yeah,
yes?
yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
remember on Friday? Remember
Yes.
on Friday we
Yeah,
talked
so
about
we
intercept
moved-
form?
Did we move this thingy over here? And
We
then
talked about intercept form and that tells us where the zeros of a quadratic are. So let's find the zeros of this first quadratic.
Wait, I do not have that.
I do.
Oh, is that our oldest?
Yes, we gotta put the 20 over here, so now we have x squared plus 8x minus 20 equals 0.
And then you put negative 20 on the top of the little x.
Then we gotta factor it out.
All right. Okay, how does that work again?
So I multiply a times c and I put it up here, and then I put b down here.
10 negative 2.
Yes, and then I say what factors multiply to negative 20 and add to 8?
10 negative 2.
10
Wow.
and negative 2. See, they add to 8, but multiply to negative 20.
Yes.
Okay? So, then I can write this, instead of writing it this way, I can write x minus 2 and x plus 10. See, this and this are the same thing. I just factored it.
Don't you do like equals to 0?
Yeah.
Yeah, so then my question is, where are the zeros?
No, don't
Negative
say
10 and positive 2.
Yes! Why?
Because you,
Flip them around.
yeah, you.
Because each factor, either this factor equals 0 or this factor equals 0. Therefore, either x minus 2 equals 0 or x plus 10 equals 0. So if x minus equals 2 or x equals negative 10, I'm going to be 0. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Yes.
Definitely.
So I could graph that, couldn't I, right? I could
Yes.
put those 2 points. Okay, cool. All right, let's try this one.
Oh, God.
What?
We did this one, and I forgot to divide by negative 2, I think, and that, so we did this one wrong.
Okay, do we go minus 2x squared? Or do we go... Okay.
Should we do it either way and see? Both ways would work.
Okay.
It doesn't matter.
Which one is better though?
Okay.
Does it matter?
Like, really doesn't matter.
Okay.
Like, really doesn't, because you could do
I'm
either
not-
one. If you had a positive 2, then this would be negative and this would be negative, and that would change, like,
Got it.
that it should.
Me.
Okay.
Well, I only got to a certain point.
Okay, so what did you get to?
The x thingy, and then it'd be 2 and 1.
Okay, so I need negative 4 and I need 3.
Oh, it's negative 4. Why is it?
Couldn't
Oh,
it be
you have to do slide and divide.
Slide and divide.
I got to do slide and divide, so I slide the negative 2 over.
Couldn't it be 4 and 1?
Yeah. But my 1 has to be negative.
Yeah, it's a 5.
Okay, I see it.
Okay.
So then I go x plus 4 and x minus 1, but I did a slide, now I got to do a divide.
So subtract by 2?
Divide negative 2
Divide.
on both sides. Remember I slid over a negative 2,
Yeah,
so I got to divide
Okay,
by
I was
negative
saying
2.
it like in
I
my
know what you
head,
mean. Yeah.
but it came out wrong.
No, you're fine. The reason I'm saying that is because we messed up.
You did.
Claudia pointed it out to me that I messed up last Friday.
Huh.
Because I forgot to divide by negative 2, I divided by a positive 2. On 1? Yeah.
Oh, it
So,
is negative
if
2.
I divide by negative 2, then I have x minus 2, and then negative 2x minus 1.
Is this right? Oh,
Should it be a
yeah.
negative 1 or positive 1?
It's negative.
And then do you do it with the 0?
2 and negative 1 half. 2 and negative 1.
Yes, I'm good.
Oh,
Okay.
yeah.
I was making
No,
sure that this,
isn't it
I had the
positive?
right.
C.
Which one's positive?
The
Yes, Claudia, you did it.
Oh no, it is negative.
Y'all
This
did-
is, yeah, because I divide by
y'all
negative
did.
2, so this turns into that, and then this negative 2 just slides over. So either x minus 2 equals 0, or negative 2x minus 1 equals 0. So x either equals 2,
Or it equals a half.
or it equals negative 1 half, because I add 1 to both sides. And I have negative 2x equals 1, and divide both sides by negative 2. So I get either x equals 2 or x equals negative 1 half. Okay?
Ooh. Ooh, doggy.
So those are the two places where that parabola crosses the x-axis. That's also what we call the solutions. It's also what we call the zeros. We also call them the x-intercepts. So if I said solve this quadratic, you'd be looking for these 2 points. Does that make sense?
Yes. But
Okay.
what if it only has one solution?
It's totally possible to only have one solution or zero real
Yeah.
solutions. in a few days we'll learn about those.
Isn't that with like the, I know what it's called in English, is it like the
Imaginary numbers?
denominator
I saw
thingy,
that on the
if that's
whiteboard
like
thingy, like this
smaller
part.
than 0.
Yeah, we had something like that.
Oh, like the quadratic formula, x equal negative b plus or minus square root.
Discriminant?
Then you have
No.
the square root of,
Amanda needs to send a schedule.
what is it?
B,
Plus 4ac.
yes.
Yeah, we call that, like that piece we call D, and if that's like
Yes.
smaller than 0, there's no,
Yes.
Real roots.
I have
no,
freaking
yeah,
headache.
no solution.
We have to
and
like
if it's,
go.
like,
Talk about
I
it.
don't remember what it was, but there was something where, oh, if it was exactly 0, there was only one solution,
Yeah.
and otherwise there were 2.
Right.
Oh,
Which makes sense because,
Discriminant? Something like that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
yes.
Today.
Yes, we will find out that there's actually 2 solutions to all of them. Some of them are just imaginary.
Yeah, but we don't do imaginary in the Netherlands.
You will.
42.
Frick.
At some point.
Imaginary
Okay,
numbers?
last one.
You know?
Oh
Last one.
Miguel. Oh, it has
3x squared minus 3x minus 16 equals 0. What do I need to do before I factor it?
Slide and divide.
No.
No, there's something else.
Check for common denominator.
Check for greatest common factor.
Frick!
What's why?
It's 3.
Check for what?
Why is it
A greatest common factor.
Oh, wait, no, the greatest.
Yeah, it's 3.
Oh.
I forgot to do this in 4th period. This is why I'm telling you now.
No.
Check for
That's-
greatest
that's
common
a few
factor, because
comments.
otherwise you're going to come up with something different.
Yeah, I want to. Because I
Are
was
you gonna
better.
practice
What?
Are you gonna be a practice?
See how I can divide all of them by 3?
Okay, that just fits my head though. I'm confused.
That just
Why are you
makes my head
confused?
go.
Negative 5 and 4.
Negative 5 and 4.
No. Wait, what?
Wait, where'd you go?
We need to multiply to negative 20 and add to negative 1.
Well, it's obviously
Minus 20, right? I'm going
20,
Am I going too fast?
Yes.
No, it's fine.
20 and negative 1. No,
We have like maybe 20 seconds.
negative 1 and 20.
I have like way too many bigger things.
Negative 1 and 20.
So I have, nope, that would not.
20 and negative 1.
Wait, what is the bottom number? 20 and
That
1.
would not add to
Negative
1.
20 and 1.
That would add to
No, it's
19.
15.
5 and 4.
15 does not multiply to 20.
5 times 4 equals 20.
Negative 5 and 4.
Negative
I
5
have
plus 4 equals
I
negative
like
1.
2. 3 goes to both of them. I think I'm deformed.
Yes. The 3 just kind of stays out there. Actually, no,
one
it doesn't.
step
Is that
ahead.
it?
I'm
No.
waiting for the.
I'm sorry I said that. No, it doesn't go both of them. It just goes to one or the other, but you
Nah,
don't even need to
5,
do that. So look,
4.
oh shoot! This
2,
whole thing equals
1.
0.
You have to.
The whole thing equals 0. So that means one of these factors has to be equal to 0. Either this is equal to 0,
You have to
or
find.
this is equal to 0, or this is equal to 0.
All of it.
Do I have to find it?
We do. Can 3 ever equal 0?
No. Shoot.
That's close.
Fine. No wearing shoes.
I was ready.
I'm putting my shoes on.